Alright, if you have the engine maintenance required light on, not the oil change, you've reset the oil change light and it still says engine maintenance required, keeps popping up, this is what you do. With the not running in the second position, the key, not running, second position, we go to menu, we go to setup, we drop down here to vehicle, you go to customization, convenient services, it's gonna load. Convenient services on, drop down, convenient services off, go back, turn the key off, and start. No warning. Thanks.